Applying for jobs but getting no responses? Wondering why recruiters aren't noticing your LinkedIn profile? Well, you're not alone. Most students make critical LinkedIn mistakes that cost them big opportunities. But don't worry, today, I'll show you exactly how to fix that. LinkedIn isn't just an online resume, it's a powerful networking tool that can help you land internships, jobs, and mentorships before you even graduate. The best part? You don't need a ton of experience to stand out. You just need to know a few key tricks. First things first, your profile picture. A blurry, cropped selfie won't cut it. You don't need a professional photo shoot, just good lighting and a clean background. Dress appropriately for your industry and smile. Now don't forget your banner. This is prime real estate to showcase your skills, achievements, or even a simple, clean design that reflects your field. Your headline should not just say student at XYZ University. Instead, highlight your skills and aspirations. For example, aspiring data analyst, passionate about AI and machine learning, seeking internship opportunities. Your About section is where you tell your story. Don't just list facts, make it engaging. Use this structure: who you are, what you're passionate about, your skills and experience. Even class projects count. Your career goals. Example: as a marketing student, I've worked on real-world campaigns that increased engagement by 40%. I'm passionate about digital strategy and storytelling, and I'm actively seeking opportunities in content marketing. Don't have formal work experience? No problem. Add class projects, internships, freelance work, volunteer experiences. Then list skills relevant to your field. And here's a bonus hack: ask your professors or peers to endorse your skills. Want to stand out? Post content. Share industry insights, lessons from your coursework, or even personal growth experiences. Engaging with others' content also helps you appear in more searches. Here's a secret: don't just hit connect with random people. Instead, send a personalized message. Something like, "Hi name, I'm your major student interested in industry. I'd love to connect and learn from your experiences." People love helping students, so take advantage of that. And that's how you stand out on LinkedIn as a student. Optimize your profile, network strategically, and engage with content. Start today, and you'll be surprised at the opportunities that come your way. Want more career tips? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.